This movie is rated SPG, not suitable for people under the age of 18.
At 5:31 a.m., a proprietorial event took over the sun and is now emitting light for the moon. Please stay out of sunlight and moonlight. If you get affected by light, you will melt but stay alive. If you attempt to go outside, wear several layers of clothing and bring weapons. If a member of your family is locked outside, do not bring them back inside. If noises are being heard from outside your home, do not.
The sun is shining and the sky is blue. There is nothing to worry about. There are no such things as green chores. Come outside. It is very beautiful. The sun is safe. Nothing is dangerous. Go outside.